Hi everybody, I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. Today I'm going to show you a new last year floor plan from Keystone Sprinter, the 35BH. It's in their, obviously their fifth wheel line. This is one of the bigger ones they make in the standard Sprinters before you get up to the limited series. There's a couple differences. That line is starting to blur over the years because they're adding more and more options. We're going to go into some of that today. This is a really cool bunkhouse floor plan. You'll notice right away, not much has changed from Sprinter on the outside. If you were looking at one last year, very similar graphics package and very similar colors. Still really, really sharp, had a lot of good feedback, so they kept it the same. A couple new things this year. One is they now come standard with the SolarFlex 200 package, which is a 200 watt solar panel on the roof right from the factory. It's really nice because it's, everything comes from factory, right? So there's no aftermarket wiring or anything like that. You can upgrade that to the SolarFlex 400 package, which upgrades that to a 400 watt panel and gives you an inverter built right in. Another new feature that we're all really excited about, and it's only going to get better with time, is the in-command light system. So if you've ever looked at some of the more higher end fifth wheels, Montana for example, Alpine, even some Heartland products are starting to come with it now, is the in-command system. This is a kind of it's literally called the light version, but what it is basically, it's a computer system in the trailer. You can control the whole trailer from your phone. Really, really slick. They got rid of the touch screen remote and they added this in, so it's kind of the way of the future. But let's dive in and start talking more about Sprinter. So Sprinter fifth wheels, 100-inch wide body, so they're 4 inches wider than a lot of the competition. Wider frame, heavy duty trailers. They're definitely not the lightest fifth wheel on the block. Okay, they're well insulated. They're good up to -17 with their premium thermal package. And with that wider frame, it can support bigger water tanks. So all Keystone Sprinters have at least an 81-gallon freshwater tank on them. Gray and black will vary depending on the floor plan. But yeah, really, really nice features, especially if you're going to be camping somewhere without hookups. Pair that with the SolarFlex and you're good to go. So on the outside, of course, you got the Keystone automotive painted front cap with the key shield. Okay. Automatic leveling jacks. So that is an option on the regular. You can get it with just the standard jacks or with the auto leveling. You got your nice big pass-through storage, of course. This particular floor plan features 2 power awnings. Okay, you got your outside speakers up there, of course. Sprinters all support a wide entry door, and you got the quad step entrance. Okay. So if you have any mobility issues, especially, or if you got little kids going in and out, which you probably do with a floor plan like this, that's really, really good, prevent some of those falls. Toggle around back here. Sprinter, you got the nice big tires on there, paired up with the Road Armor suspension. Okay, Road Armor is really, really awesome. There's a great video on YouTube you should check out, but I'll summarize for you. What Road Armor will do is you'll basically get an extra 3 inches of play from standard leaf spring suspension. Toes are really, really smooth, okay, really nice to have. One thing I forgot to mention as well is up at the front, you do have the More Ride pin box. So that'll also pair that with the Road Armor and it tows really, really, really nice, okay? Round back, they do give you 2 exterior fridges, which is awesome. If you got some kids, put all their juices, pop, all that kind of stuff round back. Excuse the flag. Rear ladder, you'll see this is a taller floor plan as well because of the way this one is. So the roof line is straight on this guy, so that is a nice high ladder. You want to get up there at least once a year, check all your seals. There's a little bit of storage around back as well, and of course backup camera prep. Well, let's head inside and we'll check out the floor plan. All right, welcome inside. So triple slide floor plan. You got the nice opposing slides in the kitchen. That's how you get this beautiful island. Okay, seamless countertops, everything stainless steel. You got the bigger 8 cubic foot fridge, the larger 22-inch oven. Okay, really, really nice, lots of counter space. And just behind you, you got even more. Set this up as a breakfast bar, whatever you wanted to do. Put your coffee maker there, or even just, you're gonna have lots of junk, right? Especially with a big family, lots of space here. Cabinets underneath, cabinets above. You got the wider booth dinette. They do nice deep slides on the Sprinters, blackout blinds. This will pop down into a bed if you need. And there is storage underneath. So that guy just lifts up. It is on a hinge here, so it's not gonna fall loose or anything. Really slick. This guy, we got this guy in with the recliners. You can get this with a tri-fold sofa, so this is an option. This is a nice, it's got, should work here, but it's got, maybe it's not plugged in, but it does have backlighting underneath, as well as massaging, just for fun. And then TV standard, Bluetooth soundbar, that controls all your entertainment, your outside speakers, everything. Pair up your phone with that guy. And you got the nice 36-inch 5,000 BTU fireplace. That'll put out electric heat, gets hot right away. Really nice to have. Let's check out the bunk room. So really, really cool bunk room, okay? You can even put adults back here if you want. It's basically a 2-bedroom unit. So you got your double bed on the bottom, tons of storage, all wardrobe space. Nice big windows. They got blackout blinds all around them. Ladder, this guy just folds out. It's got handles here, so your kids have something to grab onto. You don't have to help them up every single time. But if you can see up there, nice big loft. That really tall roof line gives you tons of space up there. If you wanted, you could even mount a TV on this wall. There are hookups up here. And then both beds, you can see the TV for a little movie night. More windows. And this takes you into the second half bath. Really, really nice. Okay, you got a sliding door here so it doesn't get in your way. Lots of room around the toilet and its own entrance door. So it's in and out really, really quick. If the kids got to use the washroom, whatever you need, you got those same solid steps, quad entry. Let's go check out the master bedroom. So as you're heading up the stairs here, you got your standard control panel and your digital thermostat, and this is for your in command here. So you have 2 buttons here. You've got the Bluetooth pairing, fairly obvious. I would push that to pair it with my phone and get the app set up. You can download the app in the App Store, and then the travel lock button. So you don't want, if you're driving in the mountains or something like that, you don't want one of your kids to log into your phone to play a game or something and they open up in command and they just start throwing out slide outs or something while you're on the road. Of course, that would be ridiculous. So this travel lock button here basically negates anything from in command. So you want to make sure that's on if somebody other than you is going to be touching the phone while you're in transit. Washroom, lots of space. One thing I really like is the one-piece shower. So there aren't all those panels that are all riveted together. See those crack a lot when it gets really cold after they're a few years old. Nice one-piece shower. You got the glass. Definitely make sure that this is latched up though. You don't want that to come loose while you're on the road. Lots of room in the shower, okay? 6 feet high. You know, we are upstairs in the 5th wheel, but this is a full profile coach. Lots of headspace up here, okay? Linen closet. Fan above. And that takes you into the master. So lots of competition at this price point. They aren't quite that full profile that I mentioned earlier. So what's really the advantage of having this full profile in the taller coach is there's no step up by your bedroom here. And I can walk right to the edge. Lots of height here. Get to all my cabinets nice and easy. Got my extra 3rd slide out here. Bedroom slide, lots of wardrobe space. This is a full queen size bed, 60 by 80 inches. Okay, and it's got, of course, the storage underneath. Got your window, and then this guy's equipped with dual air as well. Okay, so this is a 50 amp trailer, it supports 2 air conditioners. So this guy's got its own thermostat right here as well. So you can set the temperature in the bedroom. Unique from the rest of the coach. I'm Mike from Our Count Trailer. Catch you next time.